looking at the garden.
Yeah. See the papa? You got it.
Nice.
This is planting. And there's a special planting. If you come down here, you're going to see the balls. This is how it bursts. You're lucky to see how a planting comes out.
Very nice. I'm in the garden with my cousin.
Yeah. Yep. This is Callaloo.
Callaloo.
This is the famous stream. This is specially built for this because it grows on here and you can pick them like this. That's handy. So I designed this harbor so it can just specifically to go there. The black ones usually grow in the interior, but I brought it out from the interior. Seems to be growing well here. See how they grow? Very nice. And that's how the flower, from the flower, you can see how the cup grows. This is called lemongrass. Yeah. Very fresh. Smell that?
Oh, yeah, you can smell it like almost like a pine saw.
Yeah. Yeah, it's got a little ginger in it. So this is the ginger flavor one. There's the famous okra. This is going to be the fun, the pen for the chicks. This is going to be a mesh where the zinc is. This mesh is going to go like this.
Oh, on the side.
Yeah, and we're going to put a finer mesh. The zinc is going to go up here.
Oh, I see. Then come down.
And this is going to, a mesh like this is going to go all the way around here. Have a gate in front, all the way around here. So they're going to be locked in. And here is going to have, where it's going to feed them. This is going to have the compost where they're going to eat and scratch and stuff. All the way here is going to have that. So when they finish that, I'll take it out. I'll have complete manure.
Oh, yeah.
And then when the mess down here, you take it and from here and you put it in front here. But you just bury it with dry leaves, grass.
Yeah, biodegradable
Yeah,
stuff.
and then you put the biodegradable on top from the house. With the feed, you put it on top. So by the time they dig down, they get rid of the seeds, the beetles, all the things that eat at the root of the plants and stuff.
Yeah.
They get rid of it. So
they eat that and then clean it.
Yeah. So
okay.
They create
ecosystem, basically.
Yeah, they create a very good compost for you. That's how I intend to get my mold.
Nice.
I'm already having a mold, but this is fully organic. This is potato. I show you, and this is show you heard of turmeric.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's good for inflammation and stuff.
Well, this is turmeric here. Let me see. Yeah, there it is. Because his leaf is drying up. See? And there it is. See that?
Yeah, nice.
Okay.
The turmeric.
Yeah. I pull out this root. Right. Let me get it. It's broken off. So I gotta dig. I gotta dig. It's a big one. So the whole system there. So yeah. See? This was attached to this. It was a small amount. All this. It's eatable. Very good. Very good for your detoxing of the system. See? This is plant. And the nice thing about this, I can clip this off and just put this back here. And he would go again.
To create more.
Yeah, he would go again if I have good fertilized soil, you know. Which I don't. But I'm trying to make it. Trying to make it size. Yeah. So this is my compost.
Oh.
See? I put some skin and I have, like, you see some dry grass. There's grass there. I put some animal mold, this skin, then the arms. So what I do by this takes 6 months or so to really be ready. And when it's ready, it still has seeds and stuff inside and different plants and muscles. So what I do with this, I use the water system. I get some rainwater. I have a bucket here. The white bucket. This is rainwater. It comes from the roof. So I get this. And then I will lace it like this. Every day, I will just show you. So it end up with some of the things. See that? And this now, I will take this, mix it with a bucket of water also, and then throw it to the plant for fertilizer.
Oh, okay, so it keeps it.
So it's fully organic.
Nice.
Yeah, fully organic. And all the foods are very healthy. I need to use I have another piece of land like there that's 200 feet long, has no house on it and stuff. I intend to build a bigger one than this. A bigger garden than this. Yes, all this is eatable, even just like that. Yeah. Some of that juice that you drink earlier, it came from that same tree that I showed you. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, sure. Okay.
The ones with the red fruit on them, which is sour. It has this in it, and it has the ginger in it. I got ginger there too, but I wouldn't pull it up to show you because it's wrong. I just destroyed it. Yeah, this is just a small plant, and this is $3 a pound here. Sometimes it go to $4 or $8 a pound. Yeah, for this. Not this type. The fertilized type is a $600 a pound. I will know how much it is time. It's Kingsley, and Chris just took a journey through my garden, my kitchen garden. Kingsley's kitchen garden.